To soft reset the Google Pixel 9 Pro or Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, I'll show you the key combination and then we'll do it together. So we need to press and hold both power and volume up for 10 seconds, then we will release. We will then wait 5 seconds. We will then just press and hold the power button until we see the Google logo. So pause the video, prepare your phone. I'll begin in 3, 2, 1. Press and hold power and volume up. Keep these two held down. Do not release. I'll start counting now. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release power and volume up. We'll now wait 5 seconds. 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to press and hold the power button until we see the Google logo. So a soft reset just forcefully, restarts the operating system. A soft reset is just a synonym for forced restart. This is useful if your phone is not responding, maybe you have a black screen of death. And so when we see the Google logo, we release, phone will turn back on, screen will be responsive, touch will be responsive, and yeah, we're done.